Beyond the gates, 25 acres unfold before you. Open, irrigated acreage, 2 serene ponds, and a level of privacy rarely found this close to Bend. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. As you arrive, the scale of the property immediately impresses. Equestrian facilities, recreational amenities, and wide open land creates a setting that feels worlds away from the everyday. Step inside nearly 9,500 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, expansive gathering areas, soaring ceilings, and walls of windows fill the home with natural light and connect you to the landscape surrounding you. At the heart of the residence, the chef's kitchen was designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Multiple living areas, a private office, and spaces designed for recreation and wellness offers room to relax, recharge, and host on any scale. The main level features 3 bedrooms, including 2 spacious primary suites, each with its own full bathroom and walk-in closet, creating flexibility for multi-generational living or hosting guests in comfort. Downstairs, you'll find additional recreation and wellness spaces, including a game room, fitness area, and private indoor pool. Outside, the lifestyle continues. Equestrians will appreciate the well-appointed barn with 3 stalls and individual turnouts, 6 paddocks, a round pen, and irrigated acreage suited for horses and their owners. A 2-bedroom bunkhouse provides flexible space for guests, caretakers, hobbies, and storage. An expansive workshop and garage offers generous space for vehicles, recreational equipment, projects, and storage. Spend your evenings on the expansive deck, overlooking the ponds and surrounding landscape. Enjoy a morning match of your private pickleball and tennis court, walk around the property, ride your horses, or simply take in the peace and quiet that only a property like this can offer. Luxury, privacy, recreation, and lifestyle. Call today to schedule your private tour.